Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss about use of some and any in the sentences. Where to use some and where to use any. So let's begin. Some and any both are used to express quantity or degree. So here we will learn कहाँ पर आपको some का यूज़ करना है और कहाँ some के बजाय any का यूज़ करना है. So let's begin. Some is used normally in affirmative sentences. So first thing that you have to keep in your mind, that is some is used normally in affirmative sentences. Some का use affirmative sentences में होता है, positive sentences में होता है, while any is used in negative or interrogative sentences. So the very first thing that you have to notice here, that some is used in affirmative sentences while any is used in negative or interrogative sentences. So have a look at these examples and it will make everything clear to you. So look at the first example here. He will buy some mangoes. Actually the sentence is affirmative, sentence is positive. That is why to show the quantity, here we use some. You should eat some fresh fruits. John has bought some new books. So all these three sentences are affirmative, positive. That is why to show the quantity, some is used here. And now have a look at these sentences. Any is used in negative or interrogative sentences. The same sentence, he will buy some mangoes. When the sentence is affirmative, we use here some. जब sentence affirmative था तब हमने some का use किया. And now the same sentence is negative. अब negative होते ही हमने some के बजाय any का use किया है. He will not buy any mangoes. Have you bought any mangoes? It means in negative and interrogative sentences we use any in place of some. Have you bought any mangoes? Did you get fruits? No, they didn't have any. So I hope you this thing is clear to you, that how to use some and any in the sentences. But there are certain exceptions as well and it is very necessary to note these exceptions, क्योंकि अक्सर ये exceptions ही पूछे जाते हैं. Sometimes even in affirmative sentences we use any. We use any in place of some. कभी कभी affirmative sentences में भी हम any का use करते हैं. If you need any money, I will help you. तो सबसे पहले affirmative sentences में any का use कब होता है? After if. If के बाद it means conditional sentences. Conditional sentences type 1. So I hope you must have watched the previous lecture on conditional sentences and it would be very much clear to you. If you need any money, if के बाद हमने some के बजाय any का use किया है. And next exception is whenever you want to say anywhere, any place, जब कभी भी हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कहीं भी, किसी भी जगह से, कहीं से भी, तब any का use करते हैं. You can buy this medicine in any shop. Even the sentence is affirmative, we use any here. You can buy this medicine in any shop, doesn't matter in which shop. Go into any office in Jaipur and ask. It means anywhere, any place. Next thing, some is also used in questions. Some का use भी कभी कभी questions में होता है, but actually they are not real questions. लेकिन वो real question नहीं है, they are offer or request. Structure is of question. Structure question का होता है लेकिन वो real questions नहीं है. Either it's an offer or a request. या तो offer है या request है. It means imperative sentences हैं. Offer या request वाले sentences हैं. So whenever there is an offer or request in the form of a question, लेकिन structure sentence structure question का है, तो यहाँ पर हम any के बजाय some का use करते हैं. Would you like to have some ice cream? It means I already know the answer. I already know you want some. So it is an offer. Would you like to have some ice cream? Could you lend me some money? Actually it's a polite request. ये polite request है. Could से शुरू होने वाले sentences polite request होते हैं. Could you give me some money? Could you lend me some money? So being an request or an offer, we use any, we use some in place of any. So one exercise is also given here, then this exercise will make everything clear to you. Have a look at the first sentence. You can't buy blank space posters in this shop. The sentence is negative. negative hai, any will be used here. You can't buy any posters in this shop. Next question, next sentence, he always likes to take blank space sugar with her coffee. Sentence is positive, so some will be used here. He always likes to take some sugar with her coffee. There aren't any books in my bag, it means negative, any will be used. She doesn't have blank space folders on her desk. The sentence number 4, that is negative, so any will be used here. She doesn't have any folders on her desk. Now have a look at this sentence number 5. Have we got blank space bread? Actually it's a real question. ये real question है, and it being a real question, here any will be used. Have we got any bread? अगर ये request या offer होता तब हम any के बजाय some का use करते, क्योंकि ये real question है इसीलिए यहाँ पर any use होगा. Have we got any bread? And now look at this sentence. Would you like to have blank space tea? Actually it's a request, that's why some will be used here. Would you like to have some tea? She never drinks, negative, she never drinks any water. Could you give me blank space paper? It's a request, that's why could you give me some paper. So at the last, so answers are also given here. So I hope the difference between some and any will be clear to you. So thanks for watching and happy learning, and if you like this lecture, share and subscribe.